Building a website these days is easier than ever, and there are a lot of options out there that cater from everything from personal sites to small businesses and beyond. But how do you go about choosing a service with the infrastructure and customer service support you need? In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 web hosting services on the market this year, based on price, performance, features, and situations they'll be used in. We'll be taking a look at web hosting services in every price range, so whether you're looking for a great value service or the best hosting service for a small business, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which web hosting service will be best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So for the most up-to-date information, along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. We'll start by now we'll be looking at SiteGround, our choice for best web hosting service for small businesses. SiteGround was launched in 2004 by university students and has steadily grown to host more than 2 million domains and is one of the best web hosting services for small businesses. Services are categorized into 3 distinct groups, with the lowest tier starting around $7 per month. SiteGround's lowest tier, the Startup Group, works well to host your website and provides up to 10 gigabytes of space. Aside from hosting, the only other service on offer is a caching system for static content to increase speed. If you have multiple sites that need hosting, then the Grow Big group lets you store more than one website, using up to 20 gigabytes of space. You'll have access to their staging tool and their on-demand backup system, as well as a caching system for speeding up the delivery of static content. If that isn't enough, their Go Geek group offers 40 gigabytes of space, better performing servers, plus this plan gives you access to pre-installed Git repositories. It also comes with support for white label hosting, something that agencies and resellers will appreciate. SiteGround has a reputation for their ease of use, and you'll get unlimited email accounts and unlimited bandwidth. Create as many databases as you like, and choose to use either MySQL or PostgreSQL. And when it comes to applications, you can install dozens like WordPress, Magento, Joomla, Drupal, Moodle, Zencart, and more. For file transfers, you can create as many FTP accounts as you need, and to keep your data safe, SiteGround makes daily backups. If needed, you can ask for a restore of any of the last 30 days if you subscribe to the startup plan. With the Grow Big and Go Geek plan, you'll have even more options for creating and accessing your own backups. SiteGround is the ideal solution if you have one or even a few small businesses. But if you're looking for hosting that's packed with tools specifically for designers, developers, and freelancers, you'll want to check out Flywheel coming up next. Taking a look at Bluehost, our choice for best overall web hosting service. Bluehost is a recognized brand name in bargain web hosting and currently hosts over 2 million websites worldwide. With hosting plans that start from less than $3 per month, Bluehost caters to everyone, from first-time bloggers to established e-commerce sites and more. Bluehost has a range of products and services to help you get started with your website or online shop. You'll find their value-priced hosting packages come with unmetered bandwidth, free global CDN and SSL certificates, and free daily, weekly, and monthly backups on a powerful and proven platform that's built to scale and optimized for speed and security. But Bluehost isn't just for beginners. They support the open source community and provide advanced developer tools like SSH access, FTP, and a fully customized Linux kernel. For building your own website, you can use their easy DIY site builder through their cPanel, a clean and intuitive control panel that allows you to create attractive and functional pages. Along the way, you can take advantage of helpful tutorials that include how-tos on website management, hosting, and marketing topics. But if building a site isn't your thing, you can always have Bluehost Design Pros build a site for you and set everything up. The basic shared hosting package includes 50 gigabytes of storage, access to the website builder, unlimited monthly data transfers, free domain name for the first year, free domain name transfer, SSL certificate, 5 email accounts, and the ability to host one website. Bluehost is an excellent choice for practically anyone. The package is very comprehensive for the price, and the equipment reliability and support appears to be well in place. Now, if you're looking for a web host with more concentrated focus on small businesses, take a look at SiteGround coming up next. Now we'll take a look at our choice for the best web hosting service for designers, developers, and freelancers: Flywheel. If you're a designer, developer, or freelancer, Flywheel's platform offers professional managed WordPress hosting, packaged with sleek workflow tools starting from around $14 per month. You'll have access to a completely unique next-level platform that allows you to quickly and easily build, launch, and manage any WordPress site. Managed WordPress hosting typically provides a better experience than shared platforms, and Flywheel is one of the best providers around. Flywheel features an optimized dashboard instead of the usual cPanel and gives you a streamlined access to your WordPress website. A staging facility will allow you to test changes and features before making them live, and there's no manual installations involved. Flywheel's Blueprints tool packs some frequently used themes and plugins into reusable configurations, so you can auto-install them on new sites whenever you need them. When it comes to support, you'll find Flywheel aims to please. They offer several channels of communication, including email tickets, phone calls, social media, and even live chat. If you need to reference any documentation, Flywheel provides over 100 articles covering everything from WordPress-specific issues to billing questions. If you need further assistance, you can use their 24/7 worldwide in-app support and get the answers you need in no time. Since Flywheel specializes in hosting WordPress sites, they fine-tune their servers for it, including a custom caching solution built with WordPress users in mind to speed up content delivery. Services are offered via 4 different plans that range from around $14 to $290 per month. Flywheel offers designers, developers, and freelancers a solid managed hosting experience at near-budget prices. There are cheaper alternatives out there, but you'll find few that can match Flywheel when it comes to the overall quality of service. If you're a WordPress user with a little room in your budget, Flywheel is definitely a choice worth considering. If you're not tied to WordPress and want to build your site with an easy-to-use drag-and-drop website builder, stick around as we take a look at HostGator next. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drop, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. We'll be looking at DreamHost, our choice for best cloud web hosting service. For less than $3 per month, with DreamHost, you can upgrade to cloud hosting for your website, even if it's WordPress-based. Cloud hosting kicks the single server hosting model to the curb and draws resources from multiple servers, eliminating any limitations by bouncing your website hosting between several servers as it adjusts to performance spikes and other stresses. In layman terms, it's very reliable and super fast. DreamHost's shared hosting plan comes with WordPress pre-installed and their new WordPress website builder. Other popular builder apps like Wix and Weebly are also available as well as DreamHost's own website builder. The shared plan includes a free domain, unlimited traffic, unmetered bandwidth, 50 GB of fast SSD storage, and a free SSL certificate. You should be aware though, while most hosting services include several email addresses as part of the plan, DreamHost does not. So you'll have to pay extra for each individual email, but the higher tier plans do have unlimited email. For the most part, you'll find DreamHost pretty easy to use, and their control panel looks modern and has a clear design. With the shared plan, you can create up to 6 MySQL databases, and scripts are provided for easy installation of a few popular CMS packages like WordPress, Zencaster, or Joomla. However, popular CMS packages like Drupal, Magento, or PrestaShop are not available. For file transfers, FTP, SFTP, and SSH access is available, and the shared plan will allow you 6 of these. They support HTTP2, the latest version of PHP 7, and they have their own firewall too. DreamHost can be a good option for many looking for a reliable and speedy hosting service. The prices are fair, and a very generous unlimited policy for storage and bandwidth will be appealing perks for many. But if you're looking for professional features like staging areas, integrated caching, and pre-installed Git repositories, or want to use CMS systems that aren't offered, then Flywheel or Bluehost may be a better option for you. Last, this brings us to HostGator, our choice for best shared web hosting service. HostGator is one of the biggest and longest established web hosting services, and one of the best shared web hosting services in the industry that's super easy to use, especially if you're a beginner. For less than $3 per month, you can take advantage of their hatchling plan that includes free WordPress or cPanel website transfer, hosting of a single domain, unmetered bandwidth, a free SSL certificate, and a free domain for the first year. HostGator's shared hosting plans are fairly bare bones, giving you enough for one site but not a whole lot of extras on top of it. Many extra services, like backups and security, will be tacked on as additional fees. You'll find features specifically geared to help you set up a site without the hassle of hiring other people to design, build, or manage everything. Their website builder, Gator by HostGator, is one of the better ones out there. The customizable templates are all pretty modern, and you can easily customize how they look by dragging and dropping each feature. You'll also get site analytics and a free SSL certificate to help safeguard your visitors' personal data. Gator by HostGator even comes with an e-commerce plan, so you can set up a fully functioning online store with inventory and more, all without worrying about payment gateways, plugins, or any other messy technology. It just works. HostGator is tailor-made for beginner bloggers or webmasters. Their site is full of tutorials, walkthroughs, and more to help you navigate the murky world of DNS and data centers. And if their knowledge base doesn't give you the answers you need, there's phone, email, and live chat support available. If you're thinking about using the cloud for web hosting, stay tuned for DreamHost, one of the best cloud web hosting services around. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.